I'm sitting here redebating a lot on these cylinders, on this outrigger, all this outrigger stuff. It absolutely could be the landing gear on the trailer. That piece on there is stronger than shit. It's fast too, and it just takes a power wire to it. And it would, because I was just sitting over here looking at this freaking truck, right? And I'm look at all these lines. Now, then I thought about maybe researching and climbing under here and start researching hydraulics, but these lines are older than shit. Okay, so how many lines will I delete if this one right here has a switch for up and down all by itself? This one right here has a switch, and same over there. You go and do each one individually, and it declutters all of these lines. It makes everything a lot simpler. I mean, what got me thinking was that this mess of crap right here, I'm very unhappy with the fact that it goes up, and that wrap of crap going up to the top cylinder, to the top boom. Well, how many can we do away with if we go electronic? Somehow. I'm researching now. It might be just batshit crazy, but if I can do electronic valves and then maybe somehow get converted to some joysticks or something up there, or however, I would really love to just get rid of all that crap right there. I don't need no hydraulics up there. That's freaking idiotic. Leave them all down here. We got technology now. Maybe they didn't have it. The new ones, I'm sure, are like that. Of course, most of the stuff is going to be proprietary to a make and model, right? I kind of want just a generic freaking joystick, right? Up, down, left, right. Maybe one on the other side, up, down, left, right. Hell, if we got to, add a third one. I don't give a shit. But have like maybe 4 function or 5 function would be nice. But I'm actually working on this right here. I've been kind of grinding it down and beating it down through there, and yeah, I'm just playing in the freaking. But I did get one of them out. This guy's gone. Got him. Let's say bye-bye. Thank you very much. There you go. Now you can see through it, kind of. Okay, so now let's get back to at least getting this pin out. Let's try and get this one. I'm going to keep banging on it. But I am looking up some, I don't know, trailer jacks, landing gear jacks. I mean, I don't care if it takes a little bit of time. It's a 20-inch travel. So the cylinders are. I don't know what this one is. But possibly we could just put a landing gear like up here. Like this little guy right here. It lifts this whole trailer fast. The thing does a very good job. So something like that on the outside, and then eliminate all of the freaking lines. Remember that? I made that. Now we have I put Harbor Freight winches on the double stacker. I never even use them. If you look where it's parked right now, all the landing, that one's down a little bit. I got that one down, but this one's all the way up. It's actually as low as can be, trying to make it level. But I think that would be some setup like that, which all we really need is the pump. We already have everything. We need the pump set up off of that. 12 volt, put a freaking lug to it. And then ideally we'd be able to daisy off of this to run the in out on that side as well. And if we really wanted to get crazy, we could do like a solid line going to the other side and run all 4 of the outriggers off of a little pump like this and just move one outrigger at a time. I'm fine with one outrigger moving at a time. There's nothing wrong with that with me at all. That one is a 2200 PSI. Because these hold, they need to hold. So what do you think of that? Do I need it stronger to hold? Because they don't really do much. I mean, well, they lift the truck. And then when the truck lifts something, it gets pushed against. I've seen that landing gear lift up some heavy crap in that freaking trailer. Well, got a little socket. All right, well, I'm in extreme experimental mode here. We're trying to get that pin out right there. Looks like I've got it to move just a hair. So, got this I'm thinking about doing. have that little press right there, weld that on there, put that on there, that and that and that and that, and then pick the whole thing up and slide it over it and then pump the jack and basically just build a shop press. Hold it.
Maybe some WD-40.
Okay.
It moved.
All right, well, this is my contraption that I didn't even measure. I started grinding everything away, and I was going to shorten it up, but Nelly, you can't see squat in there. I guess we put some heat on it. That's probably my little cage here is creaking. There you go. It's completely on its own. Yeah, that's something weird. But it's holding together. It's working. Well, it broke the weld. I got it nice and hot, put a bunch of freaking pressure on it, and I tried to just ghetto weld it together. Just quick, threw a couple of welds. Didn't even weld it all the way because I kept tripping the breaker. We don't have enough power here. You can see it there. Right there, it just snapped the weld. I didn't get it in the plate good enough. A lot of this stuff, that can be electronically controlled right there. There's an in and an out, mount a freaking motor right there to it, run a power wire to it. Come on, let's go. And then put an electronic switch on it. And I'm thinking, I mean, we'll see. I mean, we have technology now where we can do all of this, and I don't need almost none of these freaking hydraulics. I got like 7 seconds on the welder. That's all I can run. The little guy doesn't like doing this thick, heavy crap. So I'm doing 7 seconds and hoping for the best. It's creaking and it's cracking the slag off. All by itself. Is that why, I mean, I don't know, this box might be a little freaking dangerous. It's, I think it's under tension and being held all at the same time. It might just explode all over us. I mean, yeah, I just put this plug in over here. That plug, and I'm planning on making an adapter. We just got that done today. That's for the ultrasonic and the little spray cabinet. Right there, right there. So I'm gonna get that adapted to a 4-gang. Imagine that 4-gang plug on the left with, on the back side of that plug is the plug for this, and split it in two. And then I'll see if I can run it off that. But I can only get, like here, see, that's about 8-9 seconds right there. I mean, I don't know. I'm not a welder. See, that's where it broke. I just did little freaking ghetto bitters just to throw it on. That's all this crap really is. There's a couple of, a little bit there and some there. I mean, you know, just trying to make 2 parts one. I can't take it to the show, obviously, but whatever. I mean, I did grind the pickling off. I'm hitting it with map gas before I start. I could hit it with a torch, but I don't want to mess with it. I'll at least hit it with some map gas. So we're trying. Yeah, we got a big old mess going on in here, don't we? I'm getting brushes out and trying to clean these cylinders because Julie found the other, that. She found that. It should be here today. So I'm getting some brushes out, cleaning the grooves, cleaning inside of there. I'm about to Scotch-Brite, and I got shot down on ball honing. I'm not gonna ball hone. I'm gonna Scotch-Brite down in there. Hopefully I can just clean on some of this a little bit, and then we're gonna put it back together and see what happens. First hydraulic cylinder, set of cylinders. And I'm just spending time cleaning, getting, see little brushes like that going inside. It should look pretty good. It's another new day. How about I give you a quick shot of what we're doing in here? I think I'm making a mobile shop. Looks like that's what I'm doing. That is what I'm doing.